Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. This tutorial is once again sponsored by Ywigs. Before I do anything, this hair is already washed. I washed it, conditioned it, and I do only have two bundles. So I have 22-inch and a 20-inch. If you guys saw my previous tutorial with the microlinks and the pre-looped beads, this is the same exact hair. It's just on a track and it's longer. I will leave the link to that somewhere up here for those of you that want to go ahead and check out that tutorial, because it is a different type of install. As far as the hair goes, I will leave all of the details, the type of hair, the length, all of the information will be in the description box down below. I'm not going to go too into detail about what I use and how I use it, because there are other tutorials here on my channel that go further in depth with it. All the tools, products, all of that will be left in the description box if you guys are curious and want to buy it for yourselves. I'm just not going to have a part. The tracks are just going to be laid like this. My hairline is pretty fine, so I'm going to part out probably about 1.5 inches of leave out around my perimeter. Gotta do the comb check, make sure we have enough leave out. Again, if you don't know what the comb check is, refer back to my past videos on my microlinks. I will tag it and leave it in the description down below. I can finally put my hair in a ponytail. I finally got me a little puff. She's so cute. That's the last time I did this style. My hair was so much shorter. So now that it's grown out, it's gonna be so much easier and so cute. I just want to snap my fingers and fast forward to the finished part. Because I already know this is going to be a question. Yes, this is reusable. This little thing right here, this is the looper. Pinch the top and it just goes through the hole like that. I'm going to do my first track. I'm going to start it in the back and bring it up like that. I got it going around the back and coming up to meet a little bit above my temples. I might start at the top, laying them back, and then just fill in the middle just to make sure I don't run out of hair. I just wanted to get this first track on. The first one's always the hardest because I gotta kind of find my rhythm. But now that this one's on, I'm going to show you guys how I actually hook it on and loop it and stuff like that. If you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comment section. First, you start off by parting out a thin section of hair, and then from that, pinch off a small piece of hair to work with. Then putting both my index finger and thumb through my looper, I'm going to use both fingers in a pinching motion to pull that small piece of hair through. Next, I'm going to grab the opposite end of the looper, which are these black looking pill hangy things, and pull. Doing this should pull that piece of hair right into the bead like this. At this point, once that piece of hair is inside the bead, I'm going to take my hair pliers and squeeze the bead shut. When the time comes to uninstall, squeeze both ends of the bead and it should open up. That same piece of hair just slides right out. Now one more time, same steps but on my head. So I'm using my two fingers in that pinching motion to grab and pull this piece of hair through. Then pulling on the opposite end of the loop to pull that piece of hair through the bead. Because this bead is under the track, the only difference now that I'm installing it on my head, I have to kind of feel around for the bead, and then I can use the pliers to close the bead. And I know I probably made this look so smooth and easy, but when it came to closing the bead, it was a struggle for real because I couldn't see. So if you are deciding to try this at home on yourself, definitely have like a family member or somebody help you out. It'll save you so much stress and so much time. Also, keep in mind the bead placement. So making sure the bead isn't too close to the scalp when you're using the pliers to close the bead shut. This style should not be sore or uncomfortable in any way. The angles with these next few clips start getting really like hard to see and like ratchet looking. So I hope those last few clips helped y'all. If not, let me know down in the comment section and I will do my very best to try and answer y'all questions. My phone died while I was taking down my leave out, but I had to throw it up like this real fast so I could go to work. But let me show y'all how it's looking when it's all out. Yeah, it's looking real crazy right now. So I'm gonna go and wet this down and I'll be back to show you guys how I put all my products in and stuff. These are the products that I'm using today. It is 𝑀𝐴𝐾𝐸, of course. It's giving like citrus. It smells so good. And along with my, of course, Eco Styler. I feel like the curls come out better when you put product in with the hair soaking wet. So I did already put some leave-in conditioner in my hair while I was in the shower detangling. I'm just gonna go through in sections and put all the product through.
kissing breeze. 'Cause all that is me to be on you. I'm just saying I need, yeah. Fine that you call and you talk to the girl. I'll see my world with you. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see.
Okay, my hair is about 85-90% dry. The middle part right here is still really wet. Everything that matters, I feel like, is dry enough. So I'm going to take my hair polisher mist. Before I kind of fluff my hair out, I'm just going to spray a generous amount for a little extra shine and to alleviate any type of frizz while I'm kind of like fluffing my curls apart.
And I am who I am, and I be where I be. If you ever hit me on the midnight, I'll give you a clean mind. Might give you some insight. I'll share my world with you.
This is how it's looking now. It's a lot tighter than my natural curl pattern is. I thought it was gonna be a little looser than what it is, but I think it's still cute. I was able to finesse and get it to blend. Kind of amazed at the fact that this is only 2 bundles. I know I don't have a big head, but usually whenever I do any type of sew-ins or weaves, I use like 2.5 bundles at the least. I usually need like 3 bundles. And when they told me they were sending me 2, I was like, it definitely worked itself out. This hair is so full. I was struggling to put this up in a ponytail bun. It's just so much hair and it's only 2 bundles. When I was installing the tracks, I was like, oh, it's only 7 in each bundle. Like, girl, that 7 did a lot. But when it actually dries and I can fluff it out more, it's going to get bigger. I didn't clean my brush out purposely because I wanted to show y'all about the shedding. I know the last time I reviewed with this company, you guys said that the hair shed so much. It was bad. So I've not cleaned my brush out. I'm gonna pull the hair out and show you guys how much shed, product, and everything is still in this brush with the hair. Ugh, it's still wet. Oh my God, I'm cringing. Ugh, I'm cringing. Wow, that's like the size of my fist. This is how much it shed. This is like the size of my fist. Oh my goodness. Now, this much came out of my natural head, I would be concerned. But because I actually cut my wefts and stuff, I don't think this is too alarming too much. Especially now that it's actually in my head and I can tell that the hair is nice and full. Like, it looks so natural, like you can't even tell. I had some lady ask me at work today, is that a frontal? No, boo. I personally don't think that I would out of pocket buy any beaded wefts. It was so tedious. It really... Honestly, if I had to choose between this and traditional sewing, I probably would do the sewing. It is more versatile. Not even more versatile, but it's flatter. Especially if you're doing like straight hair. But it's so tedious. Overall, it was worth it because this is going to last me for a while. Give my hair a little break from all of the wigs. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys think. If you would rock this style yourself. And if you're new here and you've made it this far, welcome. Thank you for tuning in. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one. Don't forget to hit that notification bell down below so that you guys are notified every time I post a new video. Any questions, comments, or concerns you guys may have, definitely let me know down in the comment section, and I'll see y'all in the next video.